Hello viewers, you must have eaten many mushroom recipe but once try this tasty lemon mushroom recipe with maggi masala. You will definitely love it. It's a unique style, easy and quick recipe. For making this recipe, place a kadai on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. After oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon cumin seed. After the cumin seed is golden brown, then add 5 to 6 crushed cloves of garlic along with some chopped green chili. I have added 3 chopped green chili. Saute for few seconds until it fragrant and keep stirring over low flame. Then add the pieces of mushroom. I have taken 200 grams mushroom and washed, cut into big pieces. Turn to high heat and stir continuously for 2 minutes. Mushroom has lot of water content and it is rich with vitamin D, good for immune system. It also protect brain health. Fry until lightly color change, then add a teaspoon grated ginger and a teaspoon salt according to your taste. Keep stirring to let it heat evenly. Next add quarter teaspoon black pepper powder and some maggi masala. Whenever we'll add some maggi masala, children like this recipe very much and it well combined with mushroom. Don't skip the black pepper powder and maggi masala because this recipe is incomplete with these two ingredients. Keep stirring over medium to low heat. It's a easy and quick recipe. Within 10 minutes you can prepare it. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. At last I am going to add some lemon juice. Squeeze piece of half lemon. You can replace the lemon with tomato, but this recipe pairs well with lemon juice. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. I have added handful of fresh coriander leaves. Cook for another 2 minutes. See, our yummy mushroom recipe is done. You can serve it with roti, chapati, or even you can give it to your kids' school tiffin box. Once try this delicious recipe, will definitely love it. See the yummy texture and color. Friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. I need your support. Thanks for watching.